May 15th, day 2 of camp demolition. Flooring. Got 3 bedrooms done yesterday, and it's been raining straight through. Appears the water level hasn't risen though. That's the good news, if there's any good news in all of this. So I'm meeting down here, my father, my brother, my 2 nephews, and we got the kitchen and living room to tear up. My brother drove his truck right down here. So, here we go again. Will this ever end? That was a lot worse off, I guess. That's how you gotta look at it. Oh, you got all that in there. Wow. They did some heavy lifting today. That's what we did yesterday. There he is. There they are, I should say. There's my Grand Slam nephew. And then my other nephew, he's gonna get a Grand Slam someday, right? What's going on, nephews?
Nothing.
You guys working? You guys got it all done so I can just, you know, put my waders back on? Oh.
You need some help? Let's go, get up there. You need some help?
Yeah, I'm getting up here. I was supposed to be here at 1 o'clock. I'm half an hour early, so.
We're here at 11:30.
1 o'clock is what I was communicated to.
We're here at 11.
Well, we're going for tomorrow. Here we go. Actual work in progress. The kitchen is almost done.
Almost done? Are you crazy? Are these cabinets all going to come out? The floor's going to come up?
Well, we're not doing that today, are we?
I don't know.
Probably not. We're getting...
Do as much as we can do, you know?
I'm starving. It's like
We didn't bring
concentration camp.
That's right. Work.
No work, no
I brought
food.
some fruit. You could say thank you.
Thank you.
For bringing some fruit, Dad, because other than that, I have nothing to eat.
Nothing.
You don't deserve it. I don't get up and eat breakfast. I made myself eggs just like you did? Good for you. I had breakfast.
What'd you have? Breakfast of Champions? Budweiser?
Breakfast of Champions. Gonna eat all the grapes? You haven't heard anything.
What have you been doing? Standing here
Picking up more
supervising?
of you. Picking up.
Standing here supervising?
That's right.
He does.
There's our minnow bucket. And other things floating. Oh, it's a mess. It's a mess. Uh-oh. What do we got going on in here? I heard some swearing going on. Oh, we got work. Sean, good job.
You put it on, Bubs. You don't remember?
What's up, dude?
Here's that one.
Propane tank.
Probably Jones's. Horse's rear end.
That is a big propane tank over there, Colin.
I know. Mr. Jones's. Mr. Jones's.
Well, we could put our boats on our boat lifts and be ready to go fishing. I don't think so. Keeps me mellow, man.
No, you're probably taking some Quaaludes.
I'm taking special blood pressure medicine.
Bring that food over here. Because you want to bring it over. Give me an apple.
Give him the one with the wormhole in it.
Look at the fish out there.
Where?
Look at this wind knocking the rain off the trees.
It looks like it's the wind. It's wind.
I'm a rocker. I'm a roller, baby.
It's a lot easier when you pick them up.
I do, honey. here we are, still May 15th. We're going to be demolition flooring experts when we're done this. But the subfloor has to come out. It's particle board, and it's, you can see it's all wet.
Not the sub, actually.
No, it's the top part of the floor. And we probably could take a hurricane right now just to get rid of this thing.
Well, I was wondering. Let this dry out. If I could
put some slate. You gotta put slate down, then you won't have to ever do it again. What I would do.
Don't worry about it.
Tile.
Oh, you're gonna put plywood back on top of this, right?
I'm gonna put this stuff.
Are you gonna put this stuff back on? No. I don't know if they make. I don't think they make that anymore. But it's particle board, but they make always paint now.
Guitar man.
But whatever's cheaper.
Here's my Guitar Hero nephew. Grand Slammer right there. Slammed one out. Slammed one out of the park. All the girls got his autograph after.